Chief Meteorologist Tom Coomes here to summarize spring. It was warm and wet, but the numbers are a little more interesting than that, especially because most of the wet came in the early part of spring. But these are where the final numbers end up. Pretty significant to have top 10 for both of those categories. But May was actually pretty dry. We had less than 2 inches of rain for the entire month of May, which really makes you think, wow, March and April were really wet. They were top 10 wettest months on record. So that's where the significance is. But unfortunately, we don't get to carry all that water with us as we head into now summer and the beginning of June, because we need rain again. May was also interesting because it was kind of chilly for at least the first half to 2/3 of the month, and then the summer warmth turned on. And that's where we are now as we head into June. And the rain, as I mentioned, really started to peter out. We technically got some rain today, June 1, but it really doesn't add up to much. And that's where the significance is here, as we had a wet start to spring, but then we started to dry out, and already drought is starting to reemerge. It's not critical, but you've already seen it. The grass is already turning a little bit brown, and this will be an issue, especially by this Thursday. This map will likely expand as far as significant dry across the area. Not drought, but into that D0 abnormally dry conditions will be notable. As we head towards the end of this week, all this relies on what happens Saturday. Will it rain? And by rain, I mean a ½ inch or an inch of rainfall, or is it just a few passing showers or a thunderstorm that fizzles out? A lot depends on Saturday to keep us green or in the good conditions that could produce more rain in the future. But if this kind of fizzles out and we don't see much rain, that means Sunday or Monday, that rain chance also kind of fizzles out, because you need rain to get more rain. If you get drier, a lot of those rain events tend to fizzle out, and that's where we get drought, tends to breed more drought. We'll watch that chance of rain through the end of this week in the forecast.